hotter, 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 hotter. What them a go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Hotter, hotter, bring a old trendsetter. No link, hotter, hotter, hotter.
This video is sponsored by Island Wide Express. If you've ever shopped online and wanted your packages delivered to Jamaica for free, create your free account today. You'll be able to shop from online retailers and have your packages delivered to your doorsteps in Jamaica for free. Members also get to ship letters and documents under £0.5 for free. Enjoy real-time tracking, text and email alerts, weekend deliveries, and several other benefits.
Go on and say pack up bag and something. And they look white.
I remember that my cousin can't take you nowhere. Yeah, you better take care of the Kingston.
Jack, you are you that? By scan ID?
Send back my money now, no.
What?
I'm going back more of my money. If I'm not fuck her now, I'm going back both of my money from you and her. That's not mashing up in here.
Easy, Jack, you are.
How much was it?
Oh. It was fucking 600. And hers, if I don't fuck her now, she has to pay me back too.
We'll both pay you back.
Right now.
That's kind of, your Wi-Fi doesn't work up here. We have to go downstairs.
Well, I'm ready. Let's go down there to do it.
Can we finish packing this
Yeah.
after we leave?
Y'all don't like fucking peace. Y'all like to fuck up. I've been watching you all morning with a little sneaky movement. Because you like to fuck around men and make problems. I'm watching you, you're in the front of my car and you can't blocking me with a lot of girls because they see you in the car and you're nothing up. Like me and you dead. So when you got home and you left me in this fucking predicament like, oh, I see Jack here fucking this girl that was in Kingston fucking this dancer boy in my front of my car. Then this shit boy, you know, think that me and them is fucking size. Some shit boy that beat you in the face over some shit girl. Huh? And then you come and feel like you can't style me.
I'm just going to leave that and we'll get on your way.
Yeah, just fucking tell you what I understand. You like to fuck around. That's
Jaja.
I observed all morning. You noticed last night? I never came in here begging a pussy. I came in here and I lied down and said you are acting funny. You're trying to act like you said some of this.
You know that I'm putting this in under ID. I can literally show you my
You don't have to show me nothing. Fuck off, you're lucky. Don't go and block one of your
No, Jack, you are you mad?
Don't take me for pussy.
Careful.
Because you see, I'm tell you so no problem. You know what woman I could have spent and take it upon and enjoy myself and then have so much problem I give me.
John, no.
First thing we do this for the night, go out and buckle like this and left me. And build up a story for me. You know this me, you know. I'll beat me to beat the two.
Be careful.
Hey, this one buckle like that for me too. And first of all, this is not this.
But the Jack, you are man.
Things just so we put it on.
Sure.
Coming in the house and have AC turned on. And one buckle like door open for much hours. A person will take the
Like the lava go up.
Even if I go to a hotel, you can have a fucking AC and a window open.
Okay.
If you like come from left a big title on me, you know what's going to cost me?
Jaja.
You make sure you don't fucking do it on the left. And the bottom of the pay number, the money from the side on the left here is no problem.
I don't have PayPal to put down this. I got you.
Jaja. Easy cure.
One thing I'm sure of, my cousin that ain't taking none of you
We said
nowhere.
we'll get a cab, so we just want to leave right now.
Now I'm just telling you. None of my cousins, you make sure one of
We're
them
not
see
going
them
to say a
still
word
far.
to them.
Oh. Kill them now, remember I'm telling you that. I'm not going to try to put you can sell me out.
Is there a trash can somewhere? No.
There's a garbage downstairs. I've been up here for all day, you know.
Careful, Jack, you are careful.
That's why we have things to leave.
Push on in and trouble because you behave yourself. Bless up viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss. They are again people. They are at work again. Can't stop it, people. Can't stop. You understand? So, this now, people. Boy gone viral out there with Jack Ure. You understand? and it come across the New Link people from, you know what I mean, early on. I did a video on it, people, and because of some problem we have with the device and thing, video crash. You know what I mean? So the attacking boss jump on the wagon again. So that's why a long time, you know, shoot it out and thing. But what me say now, people, based on to the thing we are going and the circulation we are going, they must say, it is alleged, say, a pooms and thing, like Jack Ure link up with her, you know what I mean? But based on the video, you hear a different thing. But I hear him say nothing about him buy nothing. I'm going to hear him say about him money, give him back him money. And if him not do this to her and this and, you know what I mean, he have to give back money and, you know what I mean, which, I don't know, the fullest hour go on, that's how with Jack Ure. Zane, me hear Jack Ure send some threats and thing, and you get me as a people, in the end, we know how things go with artists. Anytime something happen, whether it could be a video where you write did this for people, it could be a voice note where you write this, it could be a video where them have the video up front, so a video them do something. When them come and give them story, them go try to fix up themselves. So in the end, people, Jack Ure do send out, you know what I mean, theme thing, him do send out theme speech and thing, and me I go play that, you understand? But after me talk, me just go play that in the end, viewers and subscribers, for make you hear what the Cure have to say about what go on and thing, you know what I mean? Me I go make who no hear, you know, so me now too want judge, you know what I mean? But all me can tell the Cure is, as an artist out there, a big international established artist like you who been through certain situation already in a life, we could have drain you down, we could have pull you right down, or could have make you there. So right now, Cure, you have to be careful out there. Zane, you have to be careful. Because we live in a world right now, and at the lamp pile, them are destroy a lot of entertainers right now. A lot of artists you see over America, we are dead right now. A lot of them big star there. You know what I mean? A lamp pile do set them up. And I believe, say, lamp pile just be as a yard alone, you know. The lamp pile, them the right around the globe in the people. You get what me I say? So in this end now, Cure, you have to know what you do. See? And that's why you hear enough artists out there. Them do them thing, you know. But what? You know, hear them name a ring, and you know, hear certain things happen because them are what? Them protect themselves. Because number one, it could have be somebody you meet, you try help. It could have be, say some things you want to buy, but as a big star like you have a big mansion like you, big house, you can't bring stranger in your house like that. Think other things could have happened. They could have been the one videoing you personally, does a video like that now, and you're there on the ground, a bleed out or something happened to you. You never know. Zane, you never know why it could have been, what could have happened different. You know what I mean, Cure? So you really have to be careful, Cure. Zane, in the end, people, according to him, I say, and where people out there, so which me don't want to judge. If I say you go with them, I say, yo, or something in pay for and you know get to him pay for, you understand, him pay for the good and you know getting good. Yo, woman, listen me, I say, if you don't make a deal with a man, if you take some money and so now go give the man some good, give the man him goods, right? If you know say the goods not good, or the goods bad, or the goods steal, don't take the man things. If you know say the goods not worth and the goods now go please, you know say I go please the man, then comes a boom and give the man him. No make the transaction. No do nothing. Zane, keep the goods where they then, or carry the goods go somewhere else, but don't make that deal there. You know what I mean? If I saw it go people. But all I can tell Cure is, Jack Cure, be careful out there. He is an entertainer where a lot of females look up to. Me know a female personally, nice female what me I tell about. And when me and them females learn and raise them, I say, yo, listen here, for them dream is to meet Jack Cure, to go round him. You understand? Me I tell about nice, clean, you know, when a cancer and good. Zane woman love the Cure. So Cure, you have to be careful. And some of them things, and a good something, you know. Some of them even know who put out them something. I know if the one of the woman do it, I don't know who put out this thing of people. I don't know if a friend with Jack Cure have whether there's some fake friend and a video it because I can see the person hide and a video the thing. You understand? But me just do this thing of people and I do this video to make the Cure know. So listen to Cure. People love you, people respect you, and you have to know what you do. No matter if it happened today, yesterday, a year ago, or when it happened, you still have to be careful. Zane, you have to be careful because I see a lot of time people try to come and drain the energy. You know the attacking boss got to work when a man forget attack or anybody forget attack, you know. Zane, we are going to blast the attack. So I even have to beat the attack pan Cure people. As I tell you, I have a video where the Cure do, you understand what he must say. You know, man, I'm not talk what go on and everything, so you can get a brief understanding what really go on. So, now I go talk too long, I not go too stress it, you know what I mean? I just go leave it, you know, people leave here so right now, make you hear that piece of thing, the people, and all my cancer people, be safe out there, and be good, and be great, and do make sure you subscribe to the Attacking Boss, you understand? Follow me on Instagram, because a lot of things I can't post over here, so people, on YouTube because of certain reason. You know the YouTube thing or the policies and thing, them they over Instagram or them they on Facebook. So make sure now follow the Facebook New Link Production, follow the Instagram New Link Production official thing, follow New Link Production on Twitter and thing. And people, if you want to contribute to our channel, we also have a PayPal link. From there, you can make a contribution and give us support. Because you don't know the attacking basket to work. Christmas will come and what? And they give, we get, I'm taking it. Peace, love and respect, and be good and be great, son. Safe out there. Attack any one of them in the world. Attack, we say. Big up. Peace out. Attack. Never stop.
7 years ago, almost to be exact, this happened. A friend of mine sent this video to me years ago and tell me that to be careful, and I explained to him what happened. These girls that came here, how I met them the first time is that one of them got beat up by some dancers, some street dancer guy who said that she mixed him up with his wife and he beat her so bad. They reached out to me as a friend that I know a long time. And I put them up, show them love, they flow out. If I never show them love, they wouldn't ask me to come back here. And I show them love on a brotherly terms. But they know people in Jamaica. They've been coming to Jamaica like 4 or 5 times. Remember, she was talking to a dancer, and then they know artists. So in that time of grief when they were hurt about the situation, I'm sure they send the video to maybe a couple or few or maybe one Jamaican friend, who knows. But it was there all this time. But it just leaves me to figure that it seems like now it, fall into one of the hands of someone that would really like to terminate you, in every way they can. Them social media warfare that them set up out there for fight. These are them little trick where them pull. Yeah, because everyone have them private life. And you don't know. You and someone in an argument and someone a video you without you knowledge is a form of setup and a blackmail. You feel me? Yeah, because I was always good to them. That was the only bad moment me and them share from the time they were here in Jamaica. I show them so much love and take care of them. It's just because I've realized things missing on my house, valuable items, and some cash. And I asked about it, and it caused some vibes, and we just start talking about all of different things. So I said, yeah, I'm grateful. Just give me back my ticket. You know what I mean? Yeah, plus I'm not fucking even either of them either. I know it's wrong to talk to them the way I was talking to them. And I definitely apologize for that in myself. But deeply, they know I didn't mean anything because I didn't touch them.
Yeah, my people, big up to the cell, man. So you see all who comes up, boom, and sign up them thing already to Island Wide Express. Big up on the cell. You see that link they will say, down in the description they will say, Island Wide Express / New Link Production. Big up on the cell, people, because they're on track right now to get in the things them ship at Jamaica. So fast, so easy, so done. Oh my world, oh my peace. Just imagine a shell comes up, boom. And you think them ship at Jamaica. You know if it comes a boom and drive go then this go pick you up and think about go this stuff go pick you up. It'll come right on the doorstep because of who? Island Express. But remember say a New Link going to them, a New Link suddenly, so if you big up New Link to them, or you mean attack them, man. Island Wide Express. And them are the real deal. I'm out.